Tell me if this sounds like you. You know absolutely nothing about AI, but you are not worried that it will replace your job. You see people on a daily generating millions of dollars through artificial intelligence, but you are just sitting there completely clueless and out of the loop. Whenever someone brings up the topic, your brain just freezes because the thought of learning complex programs like Python and JavaScript haunts you. What if I told you that your perception is completely flawed? I was exactly in the same headspace as you when I discovered AI. Look, I've been both. In 2022, I did not know a thing about AI. I had no tech background, no friend from Silicon Valley, but that one decision has changed everything for me. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how that decision helped me build $2 million business and earn $30,000 per month in recurring revenue. Not by chasing trends, but by solving real problems using AI with zero coding. And if your goal is to earn your first $2,500 per month with AI too, without technical skills, then this video is your starting line. So shall we begin? Back in 2019, I was deep into building MVPs for startups because that was my area. But suddenly, everywhere I looked, I saw the same thing. AI agents are the future. Replace your team, save 20 hours a week, close more deals, and honestly, I was curious, but also confused because I did not have a super techie AI background. One day, I had a call with my client, Charles, who just finished building his e-commerce store on Bubble. He goes, "Look man, I'm getting hundreds of messages and calls from buyers asking about shipping, product swaps, and even returns. I don't have a time to reply instantly, and eventually losing thousands of dollars. But I also can't afford a big sales team." And that's when it clicked. I went on a 5-day rabbit hole, researched non-stop, and what I found blew my mind. AI agents. And let me clear this up for you. AI agents are not ChatGPT. They are not some science fiction nonsense that cost millions of dollars. It's digital employee that you can hire for free to do boring tasks 24/7 without quitting or complaining or asking for a raise. And best of all, you don't need to write code. You just need to be technical. You just need to know what you want them to do, and they act accordingly. So here's what I did first. I made one simple decision to change my mindset. I stopped overthinking. I stopped waiting for the perfect idea, and instead I started offering free value to my existing clients, showing them what AI agents could do for their business. And guess what happened? Charles, one of my clients, replied and said he was so curious and asked me how AI agents could help cut costs and improve his operations. And that was my opportunity. Here is exactly what I did for him, step by step. I went to chatbase.co, created a custom AI bot, uploaded his product list, return policy, FAQs, everything a customer asked for, copied the embed code, pasted it into the website, and just like that, it was live. That is the agent now. Replies to customers in real time, handle refunds and returns, recommend products, book calls, work 24/7 without a single complaint. And you know how much I charged him? Just 2,500 USDs for a tool that took less than a day to build after setup. But best of all, that one client changed everything for me. I turned this into one of the services of my company possible. Posted this niche on Upwork, and after 6 months later, 200,000 plus in revenue. And if you want to do the same, here is how you can start today with zero technical background. Start with exploring AI platforms like N8N, Relevance, 11 Labs, and Chatbase. I know there are so many other AI agent platforms, but I recommend you to start with these 4, as they are the top ones with well-established reputation. They are easy to learn and they have well-explained manuals. Now spend minimum a week on each of these tools. Try to use every corner feature available on these platforms and develop your first AI agent. Let's say if I have to learn N8N, I would spend 3 days on pure learning and rest 4 days on developing it. When developing my first agent, I will try to solve a problem which I am having right now in my work domain, so that I can relate, and eventually I will not lose my interest in developing that AI agent. Remember, This decade belongs to smart people. If you're not smart enough and leading to paths like learning Python to developing AI agents, it's gonna take years to sharpen your skill. On the other hand, you can get the same AI agent in a month, even if you know nothing about AI and if you're not even super technical. Step number 2, create a killer Upwork profile. For this, use a clean headshot for profile. Picture with a plain background, write a headline that consists of bullets that cover up your offered skill in a super clear way. Do not write huge paragraphs in the description because it's easy to read bullets instead of reading the huge paragraphs. Make sure to add a 60-second video about who you help, how you help, and why you care. Add a minimum of 3 past projects. These could be your test or learning projects which you have developed when exploring tools like N8N, Relevance, etc. Step 3. Start applying to small and complex jobs because experts usually look for prey. So consider this as an opportunity and close those complex work deals on low prices and gain positive feedbacks. Remember to apply very fast, within 15 minutes of job posting, because today world is very competitive and you need to do things as quickly as you can. Also, while writing the proposals, you need to focus on benefits and solution, not features. You can also watch the video of Evan Fisher, which I will share in the description below. Let me clear up one thing. People are drawn towards benefits and output. They do not care about features. So it is better to show what impact you can create for them. The step number 4. Once you deliver the AI agent, offer this irresistible pitch. I'll support this bot for free for 2 months. After that, I will charge $1,500 per month to keep improving it. Why this works? They see your value in real time. They get results first. So there is no risk and you lock in monthly recurring revenue. And let me tell you something. Most people watching this video won't do anything, not because they can, but because they believe AI is so hard to learn or they're already late. So what they do, they keep on scrolling and see people working tirelessly in their domains. Remember, 90% success is already there when you start and you just need to achieve rest 10% by working hard. But if you just build one AI agent per week for 3 months, you'll be in top 5% of AI freelancers or developers online. Or you'll be watching this again in 2026, wondering what if. So are you ready to stop watching and doing something about it? Or do you want to do daydreaming like you are doing right now? Do not forget to subscribe because in the next few videos, I'll be teaching you how to build AI agents from scratch and how to sell them on platforms like Upwork and other famous online selling platforms. Thank you for your time.